Intelligence and Data Science in SNS College of Technology. Now my students from third year ADV are going to discuss a case study about improving the university student performance monitoring dashboard using design thinking approach. Now my students will discuss this case study. Now Purnashri is going to explain about the background of this case study.
The university had been struggling with tracking student academic performance effectively. Data related to marks, attendance, assignments, and grades was stored in spreadsheets. While the information was available, it was difficult for faculty and administrators to analyze patterns or identify struggling student intent. To address this challenge, the university turned to design thinking approach to create a data visualization dashboard that would make performance monitoring clearly, faster, and more actionable.
Now Shalini is going to explain about the empathize phase.
In the empathize phase, the first step focused on understanding the needs of different users. Students wanted a simple and motivating way to view their progress in terms of attendance, assignments, and grades. Faculty required tools that would allow them to quickly identify at-risk students who were falling behind in attendance or academics. And administrations, on the other hand, were looking for a department-level insights such as pass percentage, average score, and comparison across courses. The research revealed that although the data requirements were different for each group, all of them preferred visual formats rather than spreadsheet for quick understanding.
Now Monica is going to explain about the define phase.
The design team clearly defined the challenge. How might we design a visualization dashboard that helps students, faculty, and administrators take performance, identify risk, and take timely action? The framing the problem in this way, the focus shifted from creating a generic dashboard to one that prioritized clarity, usability, and relevance for the stakeholders.
Now Vijita is going to explain about the ideal phase.
In the ideal phase, the team explored multiple ways to present data visually. Line charts are considered to display attendance with overtime, while bar charts seem suitable for comparing student performance across subjects. Each one could visually highlight importance with higher or lower class percentages, and pie charts are imagined as a way to represent assignment conclusion. Another key idea was the introduction of an alert panel to flag students with attendance below 75% or marks below 40%. Creative enhancements such as color coding, green for good and yellow for warning and red for critical, student-specific personalized view, and semester filters were also discussed.
Now Purna will explain about the prototype phase.
The prototype brought together these ideas into a functional design. The dashboard was structured in a way that balanced simplicity with comparativeness. Attendance trends were displayed on the top left through a line chart, while subject-wise marks appeared on the right chart. In the bar chart at the center, a theme illustrated represented a pass percentage, allowing administrators to identify problem areas quickly. Assignment completion was represented at the bottom in a pie chart, and dedicated alert panel listed students who required immediate attention. The prototype emphasized clarity over complexity, ensured that each type of user could navigate it easily.
Now Shalini is going to explain about the testing phase.
In the testing phase, when the prototype was tested with the real users, several insights emerged. Students appreciated the attendance trend visualization as it gave them a clear sense of their consistency and encouraged improvement. Faculty found the alerts panel extremely valuable as it saved them time by immediately showing what the students need in interventions. Administrators highlighted the usefulness of the heat map, which allowed them to compare the department performance at a glance. Based on the feedback, refinements such as semester filters, historical comparisons, and the report export options were added to make the dashboard more effective.
Now Monica is going to explain about the outcome of this case study.
The final version of the student performance dashboard delivered significant improvements in monitoring and decision.
Now Monica is going to explain about the outcome of this case study.
The final version of the student performance dashboard delivered significant improvements in monitoring and decision making. Students became more engaged with their progress as they could now track the performance in a more motivating and digital way. Faculty gained efficiency in identifying and supporting struggling students, while administrators were able to make more informed decisions about resource allocation and policy. The project demonstrated how combining design thinking principles with data visualization can transform raw academic data into actionable insights that benefit all stakeholders. Thank you.